Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do sky replacement in a video using Filmora. So if your cloudy skies or in your epic footage, Filmora has these tools that will make it simple for you to replace the sky with the sky that you want. So I'm going to show you the exact steps to perform a seamless sky replacement in any video. Here, you can start by clicking on New Projects in Filmora. And then you can just select the videos that you want to edit or do the sky replacement. So here is the video. So let's say I want to change the sky on this video. So you can just click on the video in a timeline, swipe until you find the Smart Cutout options, and you'll see the replace sky feature. So you can just click on that, and there will be lots of sky image that you can choose to replace the one in the video. So for example, in here I'm going to use this one. You can just click on the sky that you want, and Filmora will replace it with the one with your in your video. You can just wait until the process is done. Okay, so now the carrot is succeeded and the sky has been replaced. You can preview it by playing the video, and here is how it will look like. If you want to change it with another sky, you can just choose another one, or if you want to remove it, you can just click on this button and it will be removed from your video. So when you're done using the feature, you can just close this, and that's it. So that's how you can easily replace the sky in a video using this Filmora Smart Cutout feature. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!